Technological advances have given schools and their students more flexibility to work in less traditional environments. It has even given us the ability to work in both the traditional classroom and remote environments simultaneously through the Shared Synchronous Instruction model. In the Shared Synchronous Instruction, or SSI model, your class will consist of two groups of students, face-to-face learners in the classroom and remote learners at home. At its heart, SSI is a socially distanced adaptation of a typical station rotation instruction model. By making some conscientious modifications to your in-classroom or remote learning lesson plans, you'll be able to meet the needs of all your students without having to double your workload. In SSI, you will structure your lessons to include 3 rotations, one for whole group learning, one for individualized work time, and one for applied learning. Instead of students moving from station to station, they will stay in their own workspace. The in-person students at their desks, and the remote students in their homes. The whole group learning rotation is your opportunity to bring the entire class together and address them all at once. This rotation is ideal for warm-ups and activating strategies at the beginning of a lesson, or for assignments and closings at the end of a lesson. It is also the most efficient time for content delivery and whole class discussions. Remote students will be able to see, hear, and participate using webinar software. The individualized work time rotation lets students practice their skills or complete assessments independently at their desks and in their homes. During this rotation, you can differentiate and personalize their work to suit their individual needs. And you get to use this time to float between students in the classroom and those working remotely, giving direction and assistance as needed. In the applied learning rotation, students shift their focus from skill reinforcement to skill application. As in the individualized work time rotation, students will remain at their desks and you will move among them to check in and help them synthesize their skills. This rotation is the perfect time for performance, portfolio, or project-based work. Thanks to chat and discussion features in your LMS, you can even assign group projects to socially distanced and remote learners. Throughout these rotations, you will incorporate the remote learning group with the same lesson plan and expectations as the in-person group. They will participate in the whole group learning rotation with the rest of the class and work independently during the individualized work time and applied learning rotations. During any rotation, they can use webinar tools to raise their hand, and you can assist them in real time, just like any other student. The Shared Synchronous Instruction model empowers both educator and learner to move from simple knowledge acquisition to analysis and synthesis, regardless of whether they are in the classroom or learning from home. It allows those physically separated from the class to participate with their fellow learners, so every student gets the social support they need. Perhaps most importantly, this model allows you to efficiently deliver dynamic learning opportunities to all.